How to enable the received gifts feature on TikTok. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to enable the receive gifts feature on TikTok so your followers can show their appreciation through virtual gifts. If you're ready to start earning, let's dive right in. Before we start, let's make sure you're eligible. Here's what you need. You must be 18 years or older, 19 in South Korea and 20 in Japan. You need at least 10,000 followers, and your account must follow TikTok's community guidelines and not have any recent violation. If it is okay, then let's move on to our next step. Just open a TikTok profile, tap on profile, and tap on three horizontal lines, and simply select creator tools from the option over here. Now, if you don't have it enabled, you can simply enable it by simply going to settings and privacy and tap on privacy. Make sure your account is public. And once you've done that, go to account and tap on switch to business account. Click on next. You can choose whichever you prefer. So let's say health and wellness. Now, simply tap on three dots again, and here you'll be able to simply find creator tools on TikTok Studio now. And here, as you can see, monetization. Now what you need to do is just find and search for gifts. If you don't have 10,000 followers or more, you won't be able to see this menu. So what you can do is, if you see gifts, just tap on it, and if you're eligible, you'll see the option to receive gifts. Just toggle it on and agree to the terms, and you're all set. And that's it. Now you can start receiving virtual gifts from your amazing followers.